on, Anvesha? You look so sad.
Oh Daksh, I am not able to meet my best friend for a long time.
You use the latest technology, mobile. You can see the person and talk through mobile.
Really? Can I see her? Thank you Daksh.
You are welcome, Anvesha. Come on, let's learn more about technology through a skit.
Mama, where are you? I am so hungry.
Come, dear, have some food.
Oh, this food is so boring. I like something tasty and delicious.
Oh, what can I do now? I have an idea. Let me watch YouTube and prepare something yummy and delicious. I will start my preparation now.
The aroma is so good. Mama, where are you?
Here is a special gift for you, my child.
This is so yummy. Thank you, Mom. It is so delicious.
A big thanks to technology.
Thank you for the technology. Oh God, take a look at this address. May I get help from him? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. How can I help you? Can you tell me this address, please? I am so sorry. I have no idea. I can search my friend's address now. Don't worry. Let's use the Google map. Huh? Google? How Google will help me? Yes, of course. Take your location and see your direction. Thank you so much. I know my friend's address now. Thank you, technology. Yes, Mom.
Can you bring half kg of tomato and carrot?
Okay, Mom. Hi, Uncle. What is the price of tomato and carrot? Tomato are 42 kg and carrot are 82 kg. I think he's charging more. What can I do now? I have an idea. Let me do video call to my mom. Mom, vendor is charging more. 42 kg of tomato and 82 kg of carrot.
Listen, give a phone to him now.
Okay, Mom. Talk to my mom. You are talking from mobile?
Yes, this is a video call. How can you cheat like this? Where the price is 20 and 30 now?
Okay, ma'am. I will manage. Thank you, Mom. I am happy that technology helped us. Thank you, technology.
Technology. We use them in
It's amazing. I have learned so many things from a skit.
Welcome Anvesha. Technology brings a lot new channels of communication such as email and instant messaging. Yes, one more thing Anvesha. Do you know AI?
AI? What do you mean by AI?
AI means artificial intelligence. That means machine has ability to learn. Nowadays, Amazon and Google had launched many more technologies.
Wow! Daksh, I will definitely use those technology.
Thank you, technology.